take the kickoff in the East end zone.
Go Bears!
It would be pretty big because then we would go on to the next section of the playoffs.
Run, here it is. Oh, yeah, Kobe. There's some room. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Number 9, Gunnar Bundrick. So we actually came in here expected to compete, and obviously Arcadia is a real good team, and we battled them early on, very beginning of the season, and we came out a little behind, but I think we're pretty prepared to win this game and go to the next one.